Hello children, welcome back to the video tutorial of Social Studies Standard 5. Today we will do Chapter 2, The Stone Age. Our life on earth began much older than earth. I mean to say, the earth was formed earlier and the life on earth began much later. Primitive man lived through process of evolution. In the beginning, the man lived like an animal. They ate like animals. They lived in trees and in the caves. Slowly, he learned to make some tools. These tools were made of stones. This is the reason this period in the history is known as Stone Age. Now, this prehistoric time can be divided into 4 periods. Number 1 is Paleolithic Age or Old Stone Age. During this age only, man discovered fire and they learned to make tools. Paleolithic is a term which comes from Greek, which means Stone Age. That's why this period is known as the Old Stone Age. The primitive men were basically nomads. They never settled in one place. They always used to move from one place to another in search of food and shelter. Man at that time lived in forest. Hunting was their only means of living. They used to hunt animals and they used to eat the flesh of the animals. They also gathered fruits, nuts and vegetables. That's why they were called gatherers and hunters. They wore animal skin. They used big leaves to cover their body. They used bark of a tree. Bark of a tree means skin of a tree to cover their bodies. During this age, they discovered fire, as I said. The discovery of fire was a mere incident. It happened accidentally. What happened? They were using stones to kill animals and to do other small works. When they were using 2 stones, they noticed a spark. They noticed a spark, and which, when those sparks came in contact with the dry leaves, it got fire. So this way they learned how to burn fire. Now after learning how to burn fire, they started cooking their meat. Cooking is not like we cook at home. They only burned those meat in the fire and they started eating, and they found that that was a better option to eat, because that was better than eating raw meat. And they used fire for so many purposes. Like they used to use fire to keep themselves warm. They used to make fire to keep the wild animals away from them. And they used to use fire during the winter seasons to keep themselves warm. Now, next is making tools. Initially, man used stones as their tools and weapons. Now, during this age, they started giving some kind of shapes to those stones to make weapons to kill animals or to cut something or to do various types of work. And they also made hammers, axes, scrapers, choppers, all these things they made for their hunting and doing some other course of life. Now the next prehistoric time is Mesolithic Age or Middle Stone Age. Now this period is quite shorter in the history, hardly 2000 years of age. This period is relatively shorter, but significant changes took place during this age. This period is called Middle Stone Age also. Now, during this age, man started making smaller and sharper tools. Earlier, during this Paleolithic age, they were making big weapons using big stones. But when they came to this age, Middle Stone Age, now they learned to make smaller tools, which were handy for them at that time, to cut small branches or small animals, or to peel the skin of an animal to make the dress. That's why the tools which they used at that time, they were called microliths. Microliths means small. They made tools using bones also. They made bow and arrow. They made axes. Now, during this age, they also learned to make the handle of those tools with wood, which was easy for them to hold and to use. It was towards the end of this period when the agriculture and cultivation started. By the end of this Mesolithic age or Middle Age, the agriculture and cultivation started. The next we have the third period, which is Neolithic Age or New Stone Age. Under this age, we will study about the agriculture, pottery, the invention of wheel, their social life and their religious life. Neolithic Age means New Stone Age. During this age, the man learned to make better tools, sharper tools, refined tools. Okay? And this age is better known for the agriculture and for invention of wheel, their social life and religion. All these things took a great leap in the man's life. Now, agriculture was also like an accident. They learned how they can do agriculture. What they were doing, they were eating the fruits and were throwing the seeds here and there. And the seeds they were throwing here and there, from those seeds the new plants germinated. Then they understood that they can grow trees using those seeds also. Thus they started planting trees. This was a great discovery. After noticing this, that they can grow plants and they can grow their food and eat, they stopped being as a nomad. They stopped moving from one place to another. Now they settled in one place because they understood now they can grow things here. Then why to move to other place? They don't need to search for food now. Only thing they have to make a shelter there and they can grow their food there. So they started settling at one place. Gradually they settled on the banks of river. Why? Because water was available there. They made their shelter there and they were growing their crops. During this age, their food habit also changed. Now they were cooking food somehow and they were eating. They were growing better fruits, they were growing better crops and they were eating, and their life was changing gradually. Since they were sitting at one place, they were doing some agriculture also, they needed the help of animals. So they started domesticating animals. They were keeping animals at home as pets and they were using those animals for doing agriculture. They used goat for the milk. They kept sheep to make the clothes, winter clothes, and they used oxen to carry heavy loads. Now next is pottery. Pottery, as man began to get milk, they started making food, they needed pots to keep their food. So, in the beginning they made food using clay, which were not so strong. So, slowly they learned to cook those pots in the fire to make them stronger. So, they learned the art of pottery. Now, they also learned to make other decorative things using clay, and they were making so many things. Invention of wheel was very important. It has an effect even in our life today also. When they invented wheel, they started moving things from one place to another. They were taking their goods to another place. They were bringing goods from another place. So a barter system started. Barter system is a system in which you exchange things from other. You give someone rice, the other will give you pulses. You give someone vegetables, other will give you meat. So this is called a barter system. This continued till they invented coin. When they invented coin, this barter system stopped there. Now they were using those coins to buy things from each other. Their social life. We are a social animal. We live in a society. Sorry. Since they invented fire, they learned to make tools, they made their houses, they started domesticated animals. So now they were living in a group. They were making their own houses and they were living in a society. And those people, those group of people, they were called clans. Now, the different types of clans, when they live together, they are called tribe. Okay? So now they were having a social life. They were living in a society. They were taking part in each other's activities. They were helping each other. They were loving each other. They were taking care of each other. Now, religion. Even when men settled down in the villages, they could not understand the mystery of nature, like rising the sun, setting of the sun, rain, thunder, all these things. They could not understand what are all this, why this is happening. They were scared. They were thinking that God is punishing them. They were thinking this thundering rain and rising of the sun and setting of the sun is also a part of religion. They started treating them like gods. You must have heard the word sun god, the rain god. It has come from that time. So they started worshipping rain. They started worshipping sun. They started worshipping nature. The early men believed that the death was a journey into another world. So at that time, when people died, they used to keep pots and tools and other small things which we need in our life while they were burying others. Now, the last we have Chalcolithic age or copper and stone age. The word Chalcolithic means copper and stone. During this age, man by mistake invented copper. From stone to they moved a metal. Now they were making tools, they were making other things using copper. Now later in that stage, they also found out iron. When they discovered iron, they realized that iron is more stronger than copper and stone and any other metals. So they were using iron for making everything. They were using iron to make their tools, their weapons, their vessels and all those things. They used this to clear jungles, they used them to cut their agricultural products, and they used them for their safety. They used small tools. So the prehistoric time can be divided into 4 periods: Paleolithic, Mesolithic, Neolithic and Chalcolithic. So we have done this, and I hope you have copied the writing materials in the class of copy. Please go through the chapters thoroughly. Try to learn the question answers which we have already given you in the previous through the writing materials, and be ready for the exams and tests when the school reopens. That's all for this video. Now I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Goodbye.